Hello everyone and welcome to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in a way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to log in to Discord. Now obviously you can log in from the website the same way as you seen the last time, but if you do make an account you don't necessarily need to log in. But once you download Discord on your PC, you're going to have this, and this is the login address that you'll have to make sure you have. First, it's going to be your email address. Now, I don't have the email address memorized, so I'm just going to go back into the email and get this one again. Now, this is the email address. So, first, you want to put in your email address, right? And once you have your email address, you just want to put in the password that you had set for Discord and then click on login. And once that's done, voila, you're inside Discord. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.